Love is in the air. Luana is bringing back soul, funk and jazz with a hint of magic.
The music is stories and expressions of my journey. Music is my gift to the world. It's kind of it's the best thing that I feel like I can contribute. So however that affects people when they listen to it, yeah, I just hope that people enjoy it and can feel like they get taken to a different place.
The singer-songwriter's been casting her spell on the New Zealand music scene for the past 6 years.
I love, old school soul music, and obviously that really inspires my music. So it might be a bit of jazz, might be funk, soul. I just express however I want to express, really.
Her heart and soul translated into music, a talent she's inherited from her family.
I was born into a family of musicians. My grandfather is a musician. He travelled around the islands in New Zealand, performing Samoan socials. And we all just loved to sing together. And Nana and Papa would take me to church every Sunday, and we would sing loud and proud. Papa was the loudest in the whole church. And I would just try to sing as loud as him. There's nothing that I wanna do. My mum's always written the songs. We would write songs together, and I've always used it as a tool to quieten the mind, and I knew that music was the path. Some people were like, it's the hardest job and you don't really get anywhere. I'm like, just gotta follow this voice inside. And jazz school was the option. Like now when I'm older, I look back and when jazz was on, I would be so drawn to it.
The genre was the perfect outlet for Luana to express herself, and she combines her Pacific heritage with her craft.
Today is the day we're gonna fly away. Maybe I'm an old soul. I am Pacific, and jazz moves me, so I guess that's how they connect, just through who I am. Today is the day we're gonna fly away.
She not only sings in Samoan, she wears it with pride.
This is the malo, the diamond here, which is the fale, the house, and the anchor. And then Tyler put the frigate birds on the edges, which are my spirit guides and my ancestors. This one is the ancestors hoping that I'll carry on and pass on the knowledge. So that's why I wear it, to pass on the knowledge.
She's always on the move. Luana and her funk band Hipstermatics have performed all around New Zealand, supporting a number of Kiwi acts and playing at music festivals.
Jazz will always be a part of my journey, but now I definitely just see myself as an artist. The music I'm creating at the moment I'm calling it mystic soul music.
And if you're wondering what mystic soul music is,
it's just the combination of my worlds, soul music, and then mysticism, which is a part of my being and my intuition and my life and what guides me.
The spellbinding artist has released her charm in her first album, Moonlight Madness.
I got the moonlight madness. It encapsulates a lot of different genres that I love and moves me. So you've got a bit of the jazz in there and a bit of funk and soul, even a bit of R&B. It's very earthy, I think, like just a real earthy feeling to it.
It's taken 3 years to create her magic potion, coming in the form of 11 tracks.
Final track on the album, I actually open up with a Samoan proverb, and then I use a little chant, Angangape o le masina, the spirit of the moon. And yeah, we use the log drum as well. I wanted to fuse some like voodoo, blues kind of feeling, earthiness, primal with my Pacific language. I got the moonlight madness.
This year she was nominated for awards in 3 categories at the Pacific Music Awards, a good sign of things to come.
I do definitely have a few songs that I'd love to get recorded and released. So yeah, it's just I want to just continue creating art, and however that happens, it will happen. I'll just kind of keep following the cosmic breadcrumbs.